What's up, everybody? I'm Keith Hammer, brand ambassador for Can Am. Every rider needs a helmet, but with so many options out there, it's tough to decide which one is best for you. Today, we're exploring the differences between full-face, jet, and crossover helmets to help you decide. Full-face helmets like the N87 are the gold standard for safety, since they offer full protection for your head and neck. The fixed chin is also important since it absorbs 50% of the collision's impact. Slip it on, adjust the visor, and you'll be ready to roll. Crossover helmets combine the elements of full-face and jet helmets. These are easy to personalize based on the intensity of your ride and the weather ahead. Take the N72X, which can be configured in 8 different ways.
By taking out the chin guard, you go from full face to jet with the click of a button. You can also remove the visor and peak.
The N40.5 GT is another great crossover helmet. Check out its removable chin guard and super sleek front. If you're riding in warm weather, jet helmets keep it breezy. While they usually don't come with a chin guard, they come with a full visor to deflect the breeze and protect your eyes. The N40.5 Jet is super versatile and perfect for mild to warm conditions, featuring a full field of view and a handy sun shield. Open face helmets offer the most freedom due to their minimal coverage. The N21, they're usually worn with goggles or have a small integrated shield so you can really feel the elements. With these helmets, your face is completely exposed, but if you're on a Spider with a large windshield, it'll protect your face from bugs and debris. No matter what helmet you choose, make sure it meets the highest safety standards. Look out for the DOT certification in North America or the ECE in Europe to be sure. A DOT certification means that the helmet has met or surpassed its safety requirements. All right, everyone, stay safe out there. And for more tips like these, hit the follow button. And follow us on Facebook or Instagram at Can Am On Road. Thanks for watching.